guys, it's Beige. Today I recreated Ariana Grande's makeup look from her new music video, Yes, and if you would like to see how I did it, keep watching. This is my huge tub of Nivea cream, or Nivea cream, however you want to say that. I'm putting all of it on my face. Fuck it, this is the biggest tub I've ever seen in my life. I thought I'm ordering the small one. Did anybody else heard that this is supposed to be the same consistency as La Mer? I'm too broke to get La Mer, so I got Nivea. This primer makes you look like a ghost, but also it's good. Don't use too much primer. Too much primer leads to brolies on your skin. I don't know how to explain it. It's just not good. Don't do it. You need to wipe it on your skin like you're icing a cake. Only way it primes properly. This look is really about that eye shape that she had on, so I'm not going to spend too much time explaining foundations. My skin is really not working with me today, even though I applied the most expensive La Mer cream I have. Okay, I know y'all came here for that eye thing that she has on, and I think that that was a sticker. They just stuck on the sticker and then put the shadow on and then unstick it, and this is how they did it. I'm making this out to be a conspiracy theory. It's really not. This is a piece of tape. Let's hope this works. I'll use my... Whoa! That tried to kill me. Conspiracy theory. I'll use my old-ass Morphe palette for browns. Okay, ignore my eyebrows because obviously not the same shape as Ariana's. Let's actually see if this is gonna work. I'm going to start with this light shade and then go to this one because I don't want to like fuck it up straight away. I can't even speak. I'm concentrating so much on this. Am I crazy or this actually looks like what she had on? This is a darker eyeshadow. I'm just going to go around the edge of this. Let's see. You know what? It kind of worked. I think her swoop here was smaller and thinner, but it kind of worked. Wait, this kind of looks good. Yes. Okay, actually, I fixed it as best as I could because y'all know I'm blind, so this is the best I can do. I need to get like this close to the mirror to do this because I'm blind, so you know. But I think this is it. I think this looks good. Look, the only problem that I have now is that now I have to redo this on this side. I don't do symmetry. You guys know that. If this looks wonky, it's not my fault, okay? It's my eyebrows, and we all know that is my face that's wonky and not my scales. Because that's what I want to believe. Why did I do the sticky side first? Now this side is harder. Maybe I should redo this. I really don't want to. Okay, I have to. I really have to. Now I need to stick this on the same as on the other side, which is a challenge. It's like past my eyebrow, this peak. Is it lower than this? It might be lower. I'm just gonna color this in because I don't know if it's straight or not, and I will never find out. Hold on. It's not even, but I can work with this. It was never going to be even. If this is the best I can get, then I'm gonna roll with it. I'm a good makeup artist, I promise. I could try to block out my eyebrows for half an hour. It just won't happen. Well, I don't have glue, so that's the real reason, okay? Her eyebrows were blonde, so I'm not really concerned with that. Before I put any lashes on, obviously, I'm gonna just set my eyelid with some beige. I'm just waiting for the mascara to dry. I'm gonna do all the stuff, like concealing. I'm going to use like powder. I need to stop saying like. She definitely has pink lipstick / lip gloss combo on. I actually think she has a little liner here. Just putting on the eyelash. She had it very like on the edge, a continuation of it. Last thing is the contour. She didn't have any highlight or blush or anything on her cheeks. She just had a contour. It was a quite deep shadow. I'm going to use the cream stick, and first I'm just doing here a little bit on the top of my head, and then I'm gonna take that and add to the side. She didn't have it low, she had it really high up.
Yes, and say I should put your chest, friend. Yes, and
Now I'm gonna add the last touch because I think my inner waterline looks too red. It's just her eyes were like so open. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please tell me it looks cute, because I might be delusional, but I really don't want to be. Let me know what you think about this makeup look and my recreation of it, I guess. Maybe let me know what you think about the music video, because that's a controversial topic at the moment. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more makeup tutorials. I'll see you next time.